Disturbing new details in the case of a Goldsboro man accused of killing his daughter and severely beating his son. New documents say that Umoja Bryant was out on supervised release when he allegedly beat the two children. He's now facing multiple charges, including first-degree murder and child abuse. WRAL's Eric Miller has been following the story and joins us now live with more. Eric.
Well, Deborah, these documents obtained just in the last hour say that Bryant was only days away from a hearing that could have put him back in jail when all this happened.
Umoja Bryant has faced charges on and off for years. Most have been dismissed, but just last year, he was found guilty for being a felon in possession of a firearm. It's not clear how long he was in prison before beginning what was supposed to be 3 years of supervised release. But once out of jail, the charges kept coming. The federal government filed a motion just last month to revoke Bryant's release, citing new charges, including breaking and entering and assaulting a woman. A hearing was scheduled for March 21st. Instead, Bryant is already back behind bars, charged with first-degree murder in the death of his own daughter. Court documents say Bryant's daughter, 4-year-old Safira Washington, had cuts to her liver and injuries to her spleen. Washington died inside the emergency room at UNC Wayne Thursday afternoon. Bryant was arrested less than 24 hours later. Goldsboro police later found Bryant's 5-year-old son, Umoja Bryant Jr., alive but beaten, with cuts on his head and bruises all over his body. Cameras weren't allowed inside Bryant's brief appearance in court Monday morning, but documents show he requested a court-appointed attorney. He remains in jail, denied bond.
Now, we reached out to both Goldsboro Police as well as the Wayne County Department of Social Services to ask whether or not Bryant had ever been reported for child abuse in the past. Police declined to respond, and so far, we've not heard back from DSS. Deborah?
Eric Miller live in Goldsboro. Thank you, Eric.